All right, so if you were wondering how to bypass your tilt sensor on your ATV, could you actually do it? So if we were to pull off down here to our tilt sensor, and if I can get this out of here. So pull out your tilt sensor. This one's a little bit difficult to get to on the Altera. Pop that out. So if you pull your tilt sensor out, you can actually pop this plug out of here. So get your little tiny screwdrivers. So I'll show you how we can possibly bypass this tilt sensor or make it so it doesn't shut the engine off when you tilt the ATV over. So we're gonna get in here with our screwdriver. You've got 3 little catch pins on each side of this tilt sensor that we've got to pop out to get this inner green part out. Yours might be a different color, but this one's green. But you'll just push each of those tabs. Yeah, there we go. We got one popped up. All right, so pop that little internal green thing out. You may need to get like a little teeny screwdriver like this and get it in there and pop it up. But then you can pop this green part out. So then you have your internals in here. So work those out with like some needle nose pliers. Then when you pull this out, you've got this fulcrum in here. Now this is going to be moving, so if your ATV tilts off to the side, it's going to shut off. If you tilt to the other side, it's going to shut off. So what you can do is you're going to want this to be in the up position and just silicone this fulcrum here from moving. Now this is going to avoid your warranties. Dealers and companies aren't going to like. If you want to, that's how you can stop your tilt sensor from turning off your ATV. Then you got to use your kill switch or your key to turn your ATV off. So I'm not going to do that on mine. I'm just going to show you how you can bypass this tilt sensor. I'm going to stick mine all back together here. So you're just going to slip your chip card back into, I think it only goes one direction in here. Slip that back in. It does have a rubber seal, so you'll want to make sure that you get that back in there below the green clip. The green clip go in on top of that. Snap that back in, and your tilt sensor is good to go. So connect that back up to your ATV and your sensor is bypassed. This is my problem filming in the winter now. It just gets dark and now I don't have any light. So I gotta stick this tilt sensor back in. It's getting dark. My hands are cold, and hopefully that helps you out. If you want to bypass your tilt sensor, just pull it apart, snap it apart like I showed you, and you can put some silicone in there to hold that fulcrum weight from moving. And hopefully that solves your problem of your ATV turning off when it tilts over. Obviously, if you're in the mud and you're in some sticky situations, or if your ATV is on its side on hill climbs or in ditches or wherever you are and you don't want your ATV turning off, this is something you can do to stop it from turning off. So you will have to use your kill switch or your key to kill the engine. The tilt switch actually just helps you save your ATV from possibly messing something up if it's running on its side. I wouldn't recommend doing it, but if you want to, this is how you would do it. Hope this video helps. Sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll catch you in the next one.